So, hi Deepika and Sagar. I would like to welcome you both as our esteemed speaker at AI Test Fest on behalf of Agile Testing Alliance. So, without killing time, can you guys please introduce yourself? Just tell us something, little things about yourself so that we will get to know you better and then we can go further in this interview process.
Deepika, would you like to go first?
Yes, Sarah, thank you. Thank you so much. So, Abhay, like starting with me, I can say on the technical front, I have around 11 years of experience in the testing field. So, I have started my journey with the Cognizant Technology Solutions. Then, all the way along, there are 2 to 3 companies which I have worked on, and currently I am working with Nagaro. So in this 11 years of experience, I have worked on various technologies and tools. So starting it was with the manual testing, then slowly moved into the automation and starts exploring a lot of tools in the automation. For example, first it was with Selenium, Java. Then currently now we are working on the Playwright, APM, API testing, and lots going on here. And uh, and then as AI is trending now, so we are shifting our focus towards AI also. So we are exploring some new things there as well. So as part of Nagaro, it's like we handles various projects here. So like we design the framework, we design the automation strategies, right, and drive our team to achieve the excellence. Yeah, so that's all from my side.
Really nice. Really nice. Sagar, please go ahead.
Yeah, thanks, Deepika. So for me, Abhay, I have around 11 years of experience in test automation. So I started my career from TCS and then moved to Orange. And I think from last 5.5 years, I'm associated with Nagaro. So with Nagaro, I had a very deep connection that with Nagaro, I've got several opportunities to present in different sessions and to explore various testing opportunities coming my way. So I think this is one of the opportunity which I was looking very forward to, and I think fingers crossed. Let's wait for 22nd March to be there physically and presenting in front of the audience.
Thank you so much for deep introduction. Do you guys know that I'm also from Nagaru?
No,
You have not seen the organizing team page on AI Test Fest?
We
we have seen, but I was not guessing you being from Nagaro. I thought you are from some other vendor.
No, I'm from Nagaru only. And we have done evening talk also in September. There was a evening talk on association with in association with Agile Testing Alliance. There was a meetup in September. I came over there. All equity team was there. Manisha, Kimanand.
okay, okay.
Okay, that's great.
Actually, I work from Pune. That's why you guys maybe don't know me. I come very rarely to Gurgaon office.
Yeah, that might be the reason.
That might be the
Okay.
reason.
So we all three Nagarians, Nagarians taking interviews of Nagarians. That's nice. Yes. So, without delay, can you both please put some light on your topic that what you are gonna talk and why people attend that and what problem it is solving and what is it all about?
Okay, Abhay, as we know that AI is trending in all the fields, right? So starting from the development and everyone is adopting the AI. So like as part of QA also we have to start adapting it, right? So everyone is saying that AIs are killing the job, but I don't think so, because we can say we can make AI as our code assistants, right? So we can derive from that what we want. Okay, so we can make our life easier using that. So our solutions also is based on that. For example, uh, when we are doing a small code change in the application, so what will be our next process? We will run multiple test cases in our CI/CD pipeline as part of regression. So it can be 500, it can be thousands, right? So even for a small change, we have to trigger the whole regression suite. So which sounds unnecessary, right? So it will be like more time utilization, more resource utilization, right? So what our solutions provide the way for that. So what we do is like, based on the code changes, so our AI model will detect which part of the application has been changed and which test cases will be affected according to that, right? And what are all the relevant test cases that can be run as part of the regression. Okay. So and it will customize our regression shoot and it will just run those test cases alone. Okay, so instead of running the 500 and 1000 case test cases and running it for 10 to 12 hours, okay, so we are just minimizing the time and we are also making that like an instead of doing a hard work, we are doing it in a smarter way. So this is, yeah. So our solution focus on that side.
Yeah. And just to add on to that, what Deepika explained, so I'll let you know what benefits it will bring, what our solution will bring to the testing community. So what, for example, if we use our solution, then we would be able to identify the defects very early. So even if there is an escalation before that, we would be able to identify the bugs. So this is one of the most important advantage that I feel will be there with this solution. And if we run the small suit instead of running the entire suit, then it will also reduce the test execution time. Where right now we have seen in different projects that even if there is a small change, we are running the entire suit. So which is not very productive. So that will also be reduced down. And if, for example, if the execution time is less, then in overall we are improving the CI/CD efficiency, and that would mean more faster releases in a way. So I think these are some of the various beautiful advantages that our solution is bringing.
Okay, someone has used beautiful word. I really like it.
Hmm.
Yeah. So that is about our technical things, and you have briefed us really well that what you are going to talk, and I think it will be going to be a very interesting talk of the AI Test Fest. So all the best for that. So now we have talked about AI technical things. Okay, but life is also important. So apart from this technical things and exploring AI, what do you guys do in your day-to-day life, in your free time? As Nagaro also says work from anywhere. So because you should explore technology as well as world, right? That is why Nagaro is giving us the freedom work from anywhere, right? What do you guys do? Means basically your hobbies or interest apart from technical things.
Okay, so as per me, like I love traveling. So traveling is my passion, I can say. So like yearly once or twice, I used to go on a tour. It won't be like exploring all the areas. It's kind of a staycation type. So just going away from home to a mountain area where there and just relax it for 4 to 5 days and just recharge myself and
Your
yeah.
destination?
Sorry, my last destination was Masuri, but not Masuri. So Masuri is an overcrowded. So we were residing near a small village near a Masuri. So it was like an simple village life, right? So apart from that city jungles, so it's a simple village life. So we went there, and again in April we are planning for. Yeah, place called Mukteshwar, you might be knowing. So it's not,
Yeah.
yeah, we wanted to go for Nainital. So again, the Nainital is very crowded. So we are planning for Mukteshwar. Yeah, so that's one of my hobby. And apart from that, like I used to see various thriller series. So that's one of in OTT. So I prefer thriller over comedy and romance. So that's one of another time pass, I can say.
In this interview series, the interesting thing is I am also traveling here and there. I am in Indore currently. I came to Indore. One of my friend has opened Mexican themed restaurant, Tulum Cantina. So I am daily taking interview from her cafe only. I just be at home. Then at 4 o'clock, I just travel to her cafe and take the interviews here. Then we just sit here till night and then go home. So this matches with the hobby which Deepika says, traveling. Sagar, I would like to know yours also.
Yeah, before starting on my hobby, I would say Abhay, Indore is a very, lovely place to be. I completed my graduation from Indore and I, enjoy good food over Indore. It's a beautiful place. Yeah.
Here near Vijayanagar. So here one new cafe has opened. You should visit Kulum Cantina. So I'm just sitting here. It's a totally Mexican themed restaurant.
Okay. Yeah, considering my hobbies, Abhay, I am more into, fitness and sports. So I'm taking all the advantage of Nagaro's work from anywhere and, going to play sports. And I have played professional table tennis early in my, life when I was in school and college. So this I'm taking advantage of as of now. And and also I like to, visit different places and try different food cuisines. So this is one of the interesting things which I've developed over these 3 years when we started work from home. So currently, till Nagaro ask us to, come to office 3 days a week, I'm trying to, gather it completely and explore different parts.
Health freak as well as keeping yourself fit via sports as well as you are foodie. Means trying the new cuisine. Seems interesting. Both are means basically people do opposite thing. People who do this fit things and keeping themselves fit and doing exercises and sports they eat less, right?
Right.
So that
If I don't do workout and exercise, then I won't be able to eat different.
yeah,
So both should come.
it was a really nice experience interviewing both, and it was nice talking to you. Time has passed, and I didn't even see on my watch that the slot is getting over. Thank you so much. It was really interesting to talk to you. Let's catch up on 22nd March at Nagaro premises as we all three are from Nagaro, and let's make AI Test Fest a successful event.
Yes, sir.